Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing the results with you from this method over on YouTube. Now I've been seeing this a lot lately and you can see on here I've just typed in make money copy and paste in YouTube videos because every make money online YouTube channel seems to be sharing these videos. So you can see on here, look, copy and paste one video, come down here, copy and paste, make $153 per video. Come down here, look, make $515 per day, So the whole concept of this is you can download stock footage and then repurpose that and upload it onto YouTube, or you can also upload it onto TikTok or Instagram. Now it really isn't a difficult process. So I went through and had a look at some of these different videos. And I thought, you know what, let's actually put this to the test and we'll trial this and see, how well this goes. So what I did was, if I come over here, I'll show you, I created this account over on TikTok. Now, I haven't spent a lot of time on this because, I don't have a lot of time to waste, but you can see here, I've uploaded 3, 6, 9, 12, 13 videos over onto TikTok, and these are all really short videos. You can see here, this was the first one, it had 351 views. Then this one, I don't know what happened with this video, it apparently only had 1 view. But you can see all of the videos that I'm uploading onto TikTok, they're all getting close to 400 views every single one that we're uploading. And these videos here, they literally take less than 60 seconds, if that, to go ahead and create these. And when I say create, I literally mean just put in a bit of text and it's done. Now the other thing what I did with this method as well was, because I had the videos here over on TikTok, I thought, well, why would I just leave it there? I'll take that same video and put it over onto YouTube. So I created a YouTube channel, which was this one over here. So it's, it's the same, basically the same name, the same branding over on here. And you can see the videos over on TikTok that are earning 400 views per video. Over on YouTube, this, make money copying these videos onto YouTube Shorts, do you think the reach was the same? Do you think we've got as many people viewing them? No, nowhere near. If I come onto content, I'll show you this really quickly. Scroll down the page here. So you can see, look, the first video had 59 views compared to the 351 over on TikTok. The next video had 37 views. And then look at this, 0 views, 6 views, 0, 2, 0. So this method doesn't actually work that particularly well at this moment in time with YouTube Shorts. It does work very well, however, over on TikTok you can see. It's insane the amount of views that you can get on TikTok from a brand new account in, a couple of days. Now, as you can see here, I have only gone ahead and put on a few videos, nothing groundbreaking. So let me walk you through exactly how this method works. So method, you start at the beginning and you pick a niche or a category. So for this one, I went with the relationship niche. I then found products over on ClickBank, and I'll show you this now. So this here is over on ClickBank, and where it says number of hops, that means basically how many people have landed on the sales page of an affiliate product. Now if I scroll down here, this is over in the test account. You can see this is the product here, so we've had 223 clicks of people who have actually landed on the sales page, and then I also added in an extra product which was this one down here, so 15. So we've had what, 2, 3, 8, so we've had 238 people in the last 2 weeks land on a sales page for a product which I found over on ClickBank. Pretty cool. Now let me show you this, so we'll go back to the beginning. So step 1 is decide on a category or a niche. So we went with relationships. So we come over to ClickBank, we click on Marketplace, and then here you can find products. So on the left hand side where it says categories, you can scroll down here and look, literally go into any of these. So click on this one here, home and garden. No, it wasn't this one, was it? Which one was it? It was parenting and families, divorce, education, marriage, etc. I think it was one. I can't remember which product it was, to be honest with you. So come down here, look, how to be a fun wedding. God, there's some nonsense on here. There really is. So let me come back over here. But basically, you can go into any of these categories and you can find, different affiliate products whereby you can literally get a link and you can start marketing and sharing these products straight away. So I'm trying to find one that I went with for this. Personal finance, marriage and relationships. This is the one. So scroll down here, look. Attract men, women, get your ex back, da da da. So this product here, you can see it's got an average conversion of $46.97. So if I wanted to promote this product here, I click on promote. And you can see up here, look, you earn 75% commission for every customer. So you click on generate hop link and you get this long ugly link here. If I show you this, I'll click on go to, and and then it takes you over to the sales page, which is this one. I mean, this is a hell of a headline, isn't it? He kissed me like I was his sister and I knew I was alone again. Blimey. Anyway, so we found our affiliate product over on ClickBank. We send the traffic over to the sales page here. If somebody, watches this video and then, purchases the product, we will earn an affiliate commission, because you see up here where it says equals Fern 123. That is my tracking link. So anyone, lands on this sales page and purchases, it then gets tracked back to ClickBank via this for us, and we make money. Ideally, that is how this method works. So once you've decided on a category or a niche, and you've got a product that you found over on ClickBank, or it can be any affiliate network. Once you've done that, the next part, and a lot of what all of these videos over on YouTube are telling us to do, is they will say, go onto Google and type in, free video clips. So then you'll come over onto a website like Pexels or Pixabay, something like this, and you download videos related to your niche. So let's just go with hugs, for example. I don't know, whatever it would be in the relationship. So come down here and look, you can get these videos, and basically you can download these for free. So what you would do is you download a number of these videos. Once you've downloaded those videos, you then need a video editor whereby you compile all of these videos. So you can use one like this one over here, which is called OpenShot, which is a free video editor. And you can see down here, basically, you just drag and drop in these videos that you've created. Now, for me, I don't like this method because it's very time consuming. I don't want to spend ages, going through loads of these here, downloading these videos, coming over to here and, compiling a video. I want something that's simple, easy, and quick. So for these videos over on my TikTok channel over here, I use this piece of software here, and it's called InVideo. And look, if you want to try this out, you can do it. It's absolutely free. There's a link down below. Now you see on here, text to video, there's currently 50 plus themes. So this is what I use. I just clicked on there, clicked on vertical, and if you scroll down the page here, you have all of these different templates that you can use. There's hundreds of these. Well, I say there's hundreds. There is currently, how many want to say? 50 plus themes. So you go through and you pick one, anyone basically, and then it will literally create a video for you based off the text that you put into here. So let's just click on anyone. Let's just go with this one, for example. I'm going to click on use this template, okay? And then look, add a headline. So add your script here, add a headline. So you can put in a headline and then you put in a story. Now, because this one over here was, what was it? Love facts. I literally went onto Google and I just typed in love facts. Love facts, okay? Click on there and look, here's a great one. We'll just go with this one as an example. Scroll down the page here. Look, falling in love is like being on drugs. So we'll take that there. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come back over to InVideo. I'm going to paste that into here. Okay, that there is my headline. And then story. Look, we'll create a new scene for you. So in here, I'm going to just put in a bit more text. So I'm going to scroll down here, look. Copy that, go back over to InVideo. I'm going to paste that into here, and you put a bit more in on there, and then I just leave this on auto suggest images and videos. And look, there's other options for you. You can add media files and URLs and other bits, but I just literally go like this. It takes less than 60 seconds. It's creating the video for us. And then look, over here we have our video basically, and literally you can go through and edit this and change it if you don't like the video, the images or the videos that are behind here. You can simply change them over here. So you click on videos and you click on any of these other videos that you want. You can search for videos. So if you just type in, like, say, happy couple as an example, And then look, this is going and searching via iStock and also Premium Media. So you can go through any of these, and if you want any of these, just click on them and it will come over here. But basically, once you're happy with all of this here, you can just preview this. And then once you've previewed it and you're happy with this, you can click on download and share. And look, you can add music and other bits on here if you want to. But it's really simple. So you literally put in your text, go ahead, make sure you're happy with how it looks over here. You download this. Once it's downloaded, you then take that video, you come back over onto TikTok and you upload it onto TikTok, and then you take that video as well, because it's the same format. You can then take that over onto YouTube and put that same video over onto your YouTube channel. And then the final thing of this whole process is, you see up here I've got a link and it says canva.com. So what happens here is people are watching this video, and then I have like a call to action at the end of the video saying click link in the bio. They click the link up here and look where it's sending them to. It's sending them over here. Look, love facts today. Girls click here, boys click here. So if they click on here, it sends them over to the sales page. So let me just click on let's just click on this one. And you can see, look, your time is valuable, so I'll get right to the point. Click on here, look. And then it's sending them over to this sales page over here. And again, watch the video. After they've watched the video, a link appears down here to purchase. If they purchase this, then happy days, we earn an affiliate commission. Now, let me just take you back. Let me just get rid of this. Let me go back over onto here. And we will come back over onto TikTok, because I genuinely believe if I would have spent a bit more time on this, then I would have made some money, because as you saw over on ClickBank, we've had, I think it was 200, I think it was over 200, wasn't it? 200 people have actually landed on these sales pages. So if I'd have been uploading more videos over onto TikTok here, then I genuinely believe I could have earned some money. I just set this up, so I created the videos, I come over to TikTok, I uploaded them, and I scheduled them for one video a day. Ideally, I should have done 3 or 4 videos every single day, and that would have got more views on the videos, and hopefully more people over onto here. So in terms of this link here, you can do this again for free. So for this, you come over to this website here, and it's called canva.com. And we come on here, and we click on, what do we click on? Design anything. Which one? I can't remember which one it was, but I'll find it for you. It was, let's just go and have a, let me just type in website. Website, was it this one? Bio link website, that's the one. And then you see these here, these are all templates. So all you do is just select any one where it says free down here. So let me just go with this one here. And then what happens is, inside of this here, you can edit any part of this. So if I don't want that image there, I'll click on there and click on delete. That's that one gone. If I don't, you can basically play around with it. You can change the text, the font, the background image, and lots more. So if I come over to elements, and let's just search for, I don't know, let's just say a couple. Click on couple, and we'll go with that one there. Okay, so let me get rid of this previous one. I'll take this real happy couple over here, and we'll look happy, don't they? So we'll put that there, okay? And then I'm just going to change the transparency of this so it goes like that. Then you can see, look, let me just do this over here. But basically, you see these links here. Let's just change this to black. So I'm just going to change this up here to black. I'm going to try and change it to, why is that not working? There we go. So I'm going to change that text to black. So now you can see it's gone to black. And I want to make that stand out a little bit. So what I would do here is I'd come over to elements, and I'd maybe get a box like this one over here, scroll down like this, and I'm doing this really quickly, spend a bit more time on this. So let's just change the background colour of that to, let's say, I don't know, red maybe. There we go. And then the text in the middle, we're going to highlight that and make it bold, and we'll make it a bit bigger. Okay, so I've got listen to my podcast, but you can see over on here, you can change it to, sorry, let me go to here again. you can change this to, you know, whatever you want. So boys click here, girls click here, etc. But the cool thing about this is here, if I were to say, you know, click here to learn more, like so, what we'd do is, let me just make this a bit bigger. So drag this over here and drag this over here, and then I'll make that a bit bigger, and then I'm going to highlight the text here. Now on this part here, what I do is, if I double click on here, like so, now what I want to do is I want to include my affiliate link that I got over on ClickBank. So to do this, all I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on this here, and then you see this here, this link, we click on there and then you paste your affiliate link from ClickBank into here. So if I come up here, let's just say promote this one here for example, click on generate hop link, that horrible link here, we copy that and we go back over onto Canva here and we paste our link into here, and then you click on apply. Okay, so now anyone clicks on there, it would be sending them over to the product over on ClickBank. So once you're happy with this, you know, you'd simply, let me just get rid of this, and you know, you'd add a couple more in there maybe. You then click on publish as a website, and then you click on open website, and then you see this link up here. That there is what you would put into your TikTok bio. So basically, anyone clicks on, you know, your link on TikTok, they'll land on this page here. You know, click here to learn more. They click on there, and then look, it sends them over to the affiliate product which you've selected from ClickBank. It's really simple to do, as you've seen, and easy, and it doesn't take long at all. So in terms of this method of, you know, making money from copy and pasting videos, you've got a couple of options. You can use this software here. This is the one that I use. There's a link to this down below. You can go ahead and try this for free, or you can go the long method and you can, you know, download stock footage from here and compile it all into a video editor that way. But look, it's not a difficult process. Using this software that I use, this InVideo, it takes less than a minute to create a video, and then you take that, you upload it onto TikTok, and you have your link over here to this here, and inside of here you're sending that traffic over to an affiliate product. It's pretty straightforward to do. So look, that is today's video. So if you have any comments or questions, let me know. But look, it's a simple process, it's easy, you don't need any special skills or experience with this, and it's free essentially, unless with this InVideo over here, they do have a couple of different paid plans. If you want to, you know, go down that route, you absolutely can do, but overall, everything we've looked at today, you can do all of it for free. But essentially, that is how you can make money by copying and pasting videos onto YouTube. But I wouldn't recommend it. I would recommend you go with TikTok. So yeah, thanks again. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.